Today we're going to learn how to make a tallow-based moisturizer. Now, believe me when I tell you, this is super easy, and you're going to love how it feels on your skin. It's smooth and silky. In fact, it's dreamy. All right, let's make a 4-cup batch. Okay, here's what you'll need. First, 4 cups of rendered tallow. Now, I render my own tallow, and if you'd like to learn how to do that, I'll put a link to our video in the description below. You can also buy tallow online, and if you just search it out, you'll find plenty of options. Next, you'll need 1 cup of olive oil. I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of castor oil, and the castor oil I use is pure, organic, and fragrance-free. Essential oils for fragrance. Today I'm using a blend of frangipani and sandalwood, but of course you'll use what you like. And jars to store your tallow-based moisturizer. Oh yeah, and you're going to need a pot and a bowl, a hand mixer, and a spatula. Let's get started. Place 4 cups of rendered tallow into a bowl and place that bowl on top of a pot of boiling water to slowly melt the tallow. We want it to get to a liquid state. Be sure to keep an eye on it. Ah, that's perfect. Okay, let's remove the tallow from the heat and we'll let it cool a bit, and then we'll add our olive and castor oils. We're going to add 1 cup of olive oil and 4 tablespoons of castor oil. There we go. I'm going to stir it a little bit, and then we'll put this in the fridge. We want our tallow to get to a certain texture, so it's no longer liquid, but soft enough so that if we touch it with our thumb, it leaves an indentation. So while the tallow is chilling in the refrigerator, I'm going to chill myself with a glass of red wine. And cheers to healthy, beautiful skin. It's been in the refrigerator about 35 minutes, and I think it's ready. Let's do the thumb test. Oh, that leaves a great indentation. I think we're ready to add our essential oils. Let's blend it up a little bit before we add our essential oils. Make it easier. Oh, this is really nice. See how it's looking? That looks dreamy. Let's add our essential oils. Now, a lot of recipes call for 25 drops or 50 drops. But really, we're making a 4-cup batch here. It's going to take a lot of drops. So just smell it, try it, see where it's at for you. You decide how many drops of essential oils it takes and what scent you want to use. I'm using frangipani and sandalwood, so I'm going to work on this right now. Here we go. Frangipani first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add the sandalwood. Blend it, and then we're going to give it a nice try. Isn't that beautiful? Looks like whipped cream. That's what we're after. Looks dreamy to me. Let's fill some jars. Look at that. Like whipped cream. All right, there you go. See, I told you it was easy. And you're gonna love having this tallow moisturizer around. It is just dreamy. Hey, before you leave, make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment below. I would love to know how your tallow moisturizer came out. Thanks a bunch. See ya. Ah, so nice. Like and subscribe, and ring that bell.
This has been an Audio Girl production, darling.